Hello everyone. Today in today's class we are going to discuss on the topic called word problems on subtraction. So we'll be discussing some of the examples that are given in your textbook. So these are some kind of word problems which will be mainly dealing with the word problems that are where the operation subtraction is used. So let us begin with the first example. Example 1. The sum of two numbers is given, 3148,654, and one of the number is also given. So we have to find the other number. So how do we find the other number? Here we have to do the subtraction. We have to subtract this number from this number. So let us see. Sum is whatever is given to us, we have to write it down first. The sum of two numbers is this. Then one of the number is this. Then to find the other number, what to do? As I have said, we have to subtract this number from this number because this is the biggest number. So bigger number minus the smaller number. Then this thing we can do for our own convenience. We can draw a table like this. So this table, although I have written here 10 lakh, 10,000, 100, tens, ones. This is not mandatory that always you have to write this. I have written this just for your convenience to understand the problem. Clear? So this thing is not mandatory. You can write it or you may not write it. So we'll place the numbers. So this is very simple. We know the subtraction. 4 minus 9. It is not possible. 4 is smaller number, 9 is a bigger number. So we have to carry 1. So if you carry from here 1, then it will become 14. Then we can do 14 minus 9, it will be 5. Since we have carried 1, here 1 is less now, it will become 4. Similarly, here also 4 minus 8 we can do. From here we will carry another. So it will become 14 minus 8, it will be 6. Here now it will be 1 less, that will be now, it will be 5. Again we will carry here 1. Since 5 minus 7 we can't do. So 15 minus 7, it will be 8. Now here we are left with 7. So 7 minus 2, yes, we can do. 7 is a greater number. 7 minus 2 will be 5. Here also 4 minus 5 we can't do. We have to carry 1. So it will be 14 minus 5, 9. Then here we are left with 0. 0 minus 9 we can't do. So we'll take another from here. So it will be 10. 10 minus 9, 1. And we are left here with 2. Because we have already given 1. So it will be 2 now. 2 minus 1, it will be 1. Clear? So the answer will be, the other number is 119585. Sorry, 1195865. This is our required number. And to verify that our answer is correct or not, simple thing you have to do is that you can add this number with this number. Then you will get this number. If you get this number, then our answer is totally correct. This is just to check. You can check by yourself also in the exam. Now moving on to the next example. Here we are given the population of a city in 2011 was this much, and in the following year is the next year. That means in 2012, the population became this much. Definitely it has increased. It was 8, it has now become 11. It has increased, we know it. So how much increase is the population? So first of all, we will write as usual what is given. 2012 the population was this much. Now you might be thinking why we have written 2012 before, because you know, you can see here for subtraction we can only subtract a greater number minus the smaller number. So the greater number is this. So we have written first this, that in the year 2012 this much is the population. Then in one mistake you have done here. Okay, so we have corrected the mistake now. So the mistake was here, it was written 2012. So this will be 2011 according to the question. So in 2011 the population was this much. Now we all know what to do. So have to just subtract it in order to find out how much the population has increased. So again we can follow this table method as usual. You know how to do this subtraction, and whatever answer we get, that will be the increase in the population. Clear? Now moving on to the next word problem. There was a stock of this much quintals of wheat. Now, although you shouldn't, that is not required that how much quintal is one, how much kgs is 1 quintal, but still, for your understanding, you should know that 100 kilos will be 1 quintal. But we are not required to do that because here no conversion is done. It is direct question. So we can say just this much quintals of wheat was there in the Food Corporation of India, that is FCI, in their godowns. Now, out of which this much quintal was given to Haryana state, this much quintals was given to Punjab state. So, how much is left? This is a similar kind of question like if you have 10 sweets with you, you give 5 to one of your friend and 3 to one of your friends. So, how much is left? Already 8 you have given. Out of 10, how much is left? 2. So, similar type of question is this. So, total, first we will write total stock of wheat. How much is there? This much quintals. Then already we have given to Haryana this much and to Punjab this much. So first of all, we will have to find how much we have given to Haryana and Punjab. So total quantity that is given, taken out from the godown, that is how much is given to Haryana and Punjab. So this same method, you can see here I have not used that this 1000, 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs, I have not used all of this. So you can see here, if you just add these two, so this much amount, this much quintal was given out from the godown, this much quintals of wheat. Now we have to find out how much is left. Balance means how much is left. So therefore the balance stock in the godown will be this minus this. This was the total stock and this much was the stock that was given to Haryana and Punjab. So if we subtract it, we will get our answer. So similar method of subtraction. So this is the amount. This much quintal is still left in the godown. Clear? So you can go and practice again these examples and see for yourself if you get or not these answers. Try by yourself to solve this problem. So that's it then. Thank you and have a nice day.